then I just started saying breakdance.
It turned into
So
a whole nother
now she
trick.
breakdances. Like I just say breakdance. She does a little thing on the floor and spins, and it's quite fantastic. Let's start with the fact that I'm allergic to dogs. When Cindy and I first started dating, she got Judi within the first month. I wasn't thinking I'm gonna spend the rest of my life with this girl, and then all of a sudden I was on that page, and so I realized it was a package deal. I made an exception for Judi. Even though I was allergic to her, I realized Judi was a big part of my life.
So she played two roles. She was the flower girl, and she was the ring bearer. His mom crocheted like a little sash of like roses like around for her to wear. She was just